It's officially happening. Tesla Superchargers are finally coming to Key West. The construction has officially started, and we're going to show you where they will be in this TesLUCKY video. Glad you're here, and glad that Tesla Superchargers will be coming here soon.
And there will be roosters at these Superchargers. I promise you that.
Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla Model X and Karma the Tesla Model Y.
I first learned that Key West was getting Tesla Superchargers 2 years ago on April 26, 2024 in the Superchargers app that I learned about from TesLUCKY channel member Michael J. Danbury.
Shout out to Michael and his wife Carlo, who we met at the Crossville, Tennessee Superchargers and then saw them right after at Buc-ee's. They were really nice.
They were so nice, and I learned so much from him. He's the one who told me about the Superchargers app, which led to the discovery about the Big Pine Key Tesla Superchargers and the Key West Superchargers, so I really love that app. Back in April of 2024, the Key West Superchargers were confirmed in a post on X that said they won the Q1 2023 supercharging voting on proposed locations. This post also showed the Winn-Dixie Plaza on North Roosevelt Boulevard as the location, and there's only one Winn-Dixie in Key West. It specifically said target opening in 2024 for 12 V3 Superchargers.
Well, they missed that goal by like 2 years.
Actually, it was more than 2 years, Carly. We posted a very cringy video on September 5th of 2020 called Looking for the Future Key West Tesla Superchargers in All the Wrong Places, because the Tesla website for a hot minute showed Key West as a future site for Tesla Superchargers, and then it was subsequently removed, and we thought they were canceled forever until we saw them in the Superchargers app. And according to Tesla Motors Club, the 5 winners of this vote were Key West, Florida, Destin, Florida, Lee Vining, California, Helen, Georgia, and Cape Canaveral, Florida.
That's cool. That's 3 out of the 5 cities are in Florida.
That's right. And on April 29th of 2024, I shot the following video footage trying to figure out exactly where in this Winn-Dixie Plaza the Tesla Superchargers would be.
Roll the clip.
I am behind the Winn-Dixie Plaza in Key West. I just saw 2 guys from Keys Energy and asked them if they knew where the new Tesla Superchargers in Key West were gonna go. And they did not know, but their speculation was that the chargers, because there's gonna be 12 units, would be behind the Winn-Dixie. So this is the area behind the Winn-Dixie, and there is definitely plenty of room back here. They could probably go 12 down that whole area there, or here could do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 8 spaces there. So this definitely seems like the most logical place for the future Key West Tesla Superchargers. Can't wait to see how things developed. Oh, don't worry, there will be roosters at the Key West Superchargers, just like in Big Pine, I guarantee it. I am sure that the businesses of the Winn-Dixie Plaza, including one of our favorites, Goldman's Deli, would prefer that the Superchargers be somewhere out here in the front of the complex. Very busy parking lot. I'm not sure where they would put the transponders and everything. I guess there's plenty of room here. But wherever they put the Tesla Superchargers, make sure you go to Goldman's Deli. It's the best.
Then yesterday, a friend here in Key West named Manny.
Shout out to Manny and his awesome wife, Allison. I love her. She's
Yes,
wonderful.
Allison and Manny,
Yes.
they're both awesome. Yesterday, Manny posted this picture on Facebook and tagged me to show that the construction of the Key West Tesla Superchargers is officially underway. And I could tell by the pictures that my prediction from 2 years ago was completely wrong. And thankfully, they are putting these superchargers in the front of the plaza, visible to the street with easy access to all of the great businesses here. And two funny things about this. Storm's first reaction when he heard that the construction has started was that the Tesla Superchargers would be between the Denny's and the Domino's Pizza. And he's actually totally right. Storm really seems to be starting to feel the Tesla juju. Love it, babe. And then the second funny thing was that back in 2024, I made a screenshot of the permit information online, which included a detailed site map. And if I had just looked at that closely, I would have known exactly where these superchargers would be. And I have been doing like monthly drive-throughs of this plaza to try to figure out where they're going to be and look for signs of construction. I'm sure all of these businesses in this plaza are really stoked that the Tesla Superchargers are coming. We would like to give TesLUCKY endorsements to two of these businesses, and we're not sponsored by either of these businesses. We're just giving them a plug today because we want to.
The first is Goldman's Deli, a local's favorite here in Key West that has been in business since 1998. Everyone loves Goldman's Deli. It's awesome. It's yummy. I go there a lot on my lunch break when I need something cheap and quick and easy. So highly recommend it.
Yes, it's so true. Like everyone in Key West loves Goldman's
I haven't
Deli.
yet to meet someone that does it.
Yes, I haven't either.
There's none.
Now, they're open for breakfast and lunch. They close at 3 o'clock. They've got great bagels and coffee too. Perfect for people who are charging their Teslas. And I also want to mention the southernmost Denny's, which of course is a chain restaurant known for their Grand Slam breakfast menu. Well, let me tell you, this is a really good, it's right back there. This is a really good Denny's, and it's special because they have a full bar and a happy hour. BOGO drinks from 4 to 7 days a week, and apparently they've got new air conditioning. I didn't know they had a problem with the old air conditioning.
Me neither.
I've never been hot in there,
No,
but
I've never been
new
in
air
there.
conditioning, everybody.
Today is Mother's Day, and Mom and I are going to head into Denny's for a late breakfast right now. But first, we're going to show you what the construction currently looks like at the Tesla Superchargers' new site.
It's right back there. Oh my God, Carly. Speaking of Mother's Day, our TesLUCKY channel member Laura sent me a very cute Mother's Day meme yesterday. And I'm going to put it up on the screen right now. Thank you so much, Laura. I loved it so much. And yes, as Carly said, we're going to show you the supercharger construction site today. And then we will do a follow-up video when these Key West Tesla Superchargers are operational. We are not going to post like weekly update videos or anything like that we've done in the past with Big Pine Key. If you are interested in seeing what the different stages are for the construction of Tesla Superchargers, you can see everything in the 3 videos that we posted in August and September of 2022, which miraculously took only 3 weeks to build.
And we posted a video back then too, giving a tour of all the businesses within walking distance of the Superchargers in Big Pine Key, including Bell's, Pizza Works, the Florida Keys Cafe, and Best Nails, where we get our nails routinely.
I would like to say that I know the Tesla Superchargers in Marathon are V4 and super fast, but the Tesla Superchargers in both Big Pine and soon here in Key West, even though they're V3, they have much better amenities. And by much better amenities, I mean much better amenities. In Marathon, there's nothing. No coffee, no food, no shopping, nada. And the only restroom is in the Marathon Airport, which is really small and has weird hours. So there are actually times where that Tesla charging stop doesn't even have an open restroom. And don't be fooled by the word airport. There's no food or drink in that airport. Maybe a vending machine, but I'm not even sure about that.
Mom, let's get on with it. I'm hungry.
Okay, me too. Let's first give the viewers of TesLUCKY a quick sneak peek at the future southernmost Tesla Superchargers in the continental United States.
Well, hello, Rooster. Are you watching them build the Tesla Superchargers from your shaded spot there? See, I told you there would be roosters. There's Goldman's Deli, right on the other side of that van, right next to the CVS. Those look like V4 chargers, but the permits and the website information and Supercharger app said V3. Check this out. According to the sticker on the box, these babies are V4 chargers. Wow.